that you kind of gotta build up to get into it. No. Thunderstorm in an ink pen, quicksand on the sheet, ink sinks in, breeze in like 40-degree wind, real ill, feel the chill when you breathe in. The rule led me to some hard truth, down a road pointing to a new point of view. Poignant view, who knew where I'm going to? Follow ya, under solid sky, royal blue. Ribbon in the sky, ribbon in the shirt, royal too, ribbon in the earth, complexion like the dirt, soil grew, locks like an oak, locks like my boat, toil too, remnant preserved, aluminum, foil you, messianic, anointed, the ruler oiled you, if you only knew. Don't let the smooth taste fool lie away about my father business, way cool for the fake move, no, we not walking in the dark, this is day school, watching for the art, oh my God, like the 8th save, watching for the art since the 8th grade, knowing something wasn't right, something's on, wait, hey. Woo. Well, I'm loving it. Thunderstorm in an ink pen, the sun circling the earth in a deep spin, a tabernacle for the sun as it sweeps in. I walk the streets with a grin. So much on my mind to keep in that I can't even pretend that I'm normal. Of course I keep it cordial, but courses of stars in an orbit are coursing through the coarseness of my hair like the nails of my Isha. Peace from the peace of my mind that's not cold in a piece of the sky. I can see your handiwork and it works like a timepiece for the planet Earth manicure, for the hands on the clock. Calendar that you can't observe, stand in one spot. I got my eyes up. Hey. Tell I'm my dad. Yeah. Well. Hourglass half full or half empty, depending on your point of view. I was always sort of cornered too, a little off but not the spot I was appointed to. But that's the priesthood I'm anointed to, a chosen few that's holding to the oldest truth. Only truth can separate the real from fake. Real estate above the sky, the single realest place. To the fake, I won't conceal my face. To look away from my eyes is a real mistake. Hey, I walk the sundown in sandals with a smile on my face like you can't tell. Heart heavy like an anvil, and well, spit the water from the bottom of the well. Thank my father cause tomorrow is a prayer well. Still feel like the bottom of the stairwell. I'm on the fringes in my fringes and they stare well. Israel stiff neck like hair gel. Farewell, I am gone to captivity. At the bottom of the slave ship infinity, I set sail, or I set sail. My wife and daughter on the next sail.
Before I formed thee in the belly, I knew thee, and before thou camest forth out of the womb, I sanctified thee. At that time they shall call Jerusalem the throne of the Lord, and all the nations shall be gathered unto it, to the name of the Lord, to Jerusalem. Neither shall they walk any more after the imagination of their evil heart.